How to download PowerPoint as PDF. So first of all, open up the Microsoft PowerPoint on your laptop. So once it open, now you need to open up the file that you want to save as a PDF. So I'm going to open up a sample file just to show you called Madison in PowerPoint. Now it just opened. Now you need to go to the menu bar at the top PowerPoint and click on the file here, then click on save as. Now under the file format, you need to click on this little arrow and click on the export format as PDF here. Okay, and you can also go ahead and change the location where you want to save the file. Okay, so right now presentation 3, I'm going to click on save here, and now at the bottom you can see it is exporting right now, presentation 3.pdf. okay, so let me go to my documents here, and then you can see the presentation 3 file.pdf is right here. So this is how easily you can do it. Thank you.